6,000 change comes to 27,000, and that is one-time payment. You don't have to renew it every year, and you don't lose your good standing. In an annual member, you become a, let's say you are paying your membership now, you will not get a good standing because you have to pay in the month of November and December. Idea year is not year on year. That is, suppose you pay in May, it doesn't mean that you become a member, you are a member till May. Every year you have to renew in the month of December, and the membership starts from January and ends in December. That's what the rule is.
Other sides it's not going. But I find it practical difficulty with this instrument. Most of the times when we are preparing the cavity will be like this. Okay, so this can lead to a false positivity. It will be thick from the top but thinner on the inside. So it should not be like this. Normally people do like this. We could do it like this, or from this distance we are showing and light is traveling so much. You can see the beam. See, this is not a standard test. I am just showing you. See, you can see that light. It is pointed in the center. It is pointed in the center, right? Okay. But once you use that woodpecker light, it will be close and touch. But it is difficult for us to touch because there is a ring around. We have that ring, everything is there, so you cannot touch, but go as close as possible and then cure. And there is nothing called over curing. You can get from down. The original is costing around 700, but you have an indexed version. This one. That is good. Original one is expensive, but there is a difference, but something will work. Cross one will be asked for. Yes. Here, from the side you have enough and more space. This is the wedge guard. You place wedge guard. Then not like this, you have to protect with Teflon and etch everything together. Selective etch of enamel and chlorine wash. Then scrub. Yes. You pack Teflon and protect the indent. Then you just splash HandsOn. No problem. Excessive etching, excessive drying, anything can happen. No, when you are doing all this, when you are doing immediate sealing, everything, then you don't have any possibility sensitivity. Doing it clinically, don't remove the wedge and matrix. What could be the reason? I made the proximal board. Okay. Then I removed the ring. No. I have to do the second step. But before that, you are not supposed to remove the matrix and wedge, because once you remove the matrix and wedge, you will start bleeding. It can bleed. Okay. So never touch anything. Just remove the ring. Then continue with the there. Okay. Even a slight bleeding can happen and it can mess up. Okay, so stick it inside and view from the lateral aspect. Okay, if it is at 5 mm, you can do it in one shot. If it is more than, if suppose it is 7 mm, I will do the first 2-3 mm increment first, then final shot in one shot. Okay. If it is 5 mm also, I am going to do it in one shot. So like Suchanedi. Okay. It will go more inside. Okay. Now you place the ring. Yes. No. But just inside. Now use any instrument and you can just contour it to the tooth. Yes, nice. Yes. Now you just push it like this. And next you adapt it, then you do the proximal version. Like this. Okay. You can divide. It's nice for dividing.
Is it too much of gap?
That's nice. Yes.
Too much?
You just. You have to cut through. Deep. You have to go and touch the ideas there.
I did that and then that's the final part.
Should not be like this. Normally people do like this. People do it like this. Or from this distance we are curing and light is traveling so much and it will become small. So it will compensate. No, the composite will still can create some space, no? Yes. Hold this.